Hey friends, it's Kimberly Rivera. I am so excited to get on here today and tell you about the amazing Pryphytera Care Wand that my honey got me in late October. It has completely been a game changer in every way for me. And I'm gonna put it down because I talk with my hands. First thing I noticed was after the very first treatment and wanding, I was wanding my face and I had this ridge that was deep notched into my jaw here from where my dad had given me a root canal when I was younger. And every time I would massage my face or use my gua sha on it, it would get stuck in that ridge after one wanding. And I didn't even wand it for like a long period of time. That ridge completely disappeared and it has never come back, which was astounding to me. So then I started getting on the testimonial sites and I saw somebody, oh, weight loss, they lost a lot of weight with using coconut oil. So I was like, okay, score. I got lots of coconut oil. So I started slathering up with coconut oil and essential oils and using my wand every day. I have to set a timer on this thing on my phone because I won't stop. It is so soothing and it's such a wonderful self-care routine. I can't even say enough about it. So I'm wanding every square inch of my body, everything. And then I realized, oh my goodness, my ankle's healed. I took a really bad fall in June and I fell in a twisted ankle position and I had gone from being able to walk 7 to 10 miles a day to standstill. And I just wasn't even willing to work through the pain. And I just realized when everybody was over here in November, I was like, oh my gosh, you guys, I'm wearing heels. And look at this, I can jump. I can jump, I can run. My ankle is completely healed. And I still can't get over that. Well, in addition to that, so I started wanding every day. I'm telling you, I would lose a pound or two a day. I have gone down 35 pounds since the end of October. It has absolutely changed everything. And you can wand your water, you can wand your food. And when you wand your water, it changes its molecular structure and it causes it to be linear so that your body, for the first time in your life really, is being completely hydrated. And that was also a big thing because it tells you to drink a glass of warm wanded water before you wand and a glass of warm wanded water after you wand. Well, I was an ice wateraholic. I drank ice water and I wasn't drinking enough. And now it's like my body craves it. I drink the warm wanded water all the time. I don't do ice. I don't do cold water anymore. And that alone is very beneficial for your body. But then I started realizing, oh, well, there's trauma that's stored in the back of your brain here on the right hemisphere. That's where all your traumatic memories are stored. So I was like, well, I'm going to use my wand on that. So I started doing it so intentionally with the Holy Spirit, and my body has responded like I can't even put full words to it because everything has changed. All my cravings have changed. I have gone through massive, significant trauma release, which I'll talk to you about in another video later where I can get in depth. We're just going to do this one pretty short. But I have all of my cravings that were associated or attached to those traumas that got released out of my body. Now every craving has changed. My body has woken up and intuitively it tells me what to eat. So I've lost 35 pounds. My ankle is healed. My jaw is healed. Everybody keeps stopping me and asking me, hey, you've been doing Botox? And I'm like, do you know me? Yeah, it is amazing with their face. Thank God that I have good genes. I have good skin. But it causes the collagen to be stimulated in your face when you're blowing it on there. So it is amazing. All my friends too, people are stopping them. They're like, what have you been doing with your skincare? What's going on? So there are so many different fronts. I could tell testimonies all day just in my immediate family and friends of massive shifts that have happened in their health that have absolutely changed the course of their life. So if this resonates with you guys like it did with us, the link is right here, theonlywand.com. Go to the website, peruse all of the science, get versed in how it works and why it's amazing being the first of its kind. Also, there are a lot of testimonies. There are so many different types of testimonies. It is so much fun just watching people's videos and seeing their lives change. We cry almost every day when testimonies start rolling in and when we see significant changes in people's lives, then we're so thankful. We are so thankful for the Pryphytera Care Wand. So if you're ready, go to the website. Alberta will get you set up and you'll be on to your wanding journey. We love you guys, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
Ang maganda po sa iTeracare device, it hits the bone, activates dormant stem cells, removes blockages. Yan po ang nagagawa nitong device na ito. Papakita ko po sa inyo, sino-sino na po ba ang mga gumagamit. Kung kilala niyo po ito, si Sir Wilbert Tolentino. Siya po ay nagbebenta na po nito actually. No? Ninegosyo niya na po ito. Siya po yung manager ni Herlin Hipon Budol. Kung kilala niyo po yan. Siya rin po yung manager ni Madam Inuts. Ayan, kung mahilig po kayong manood ng lalo na po nung pandemic, sumikat po ito, no? Kasi sikat po ito sa live selling. Okay, nagbebenta na rin po siya. Ito po, no, may bati pa, ano.
Yun, shoutout nga pala sa Pride International.
Yan, si Herlin. Oh, tapos ito si Madam Inuts.
Hello, this is Madam Inuts. Shoutout nga pala sa Prime
nag-shoutout pa, no? So, post na natin. Okay, talagang may pa-shoutout pa. Tapos, no, ang mga gumagamit na po, no, si Miss Alice Dixon, Daisy Reyes, Elizabeth Oropesa. Tapos, ito pa po, no, si Sir Chris Lawrence, gumagamit po, no. Ayan po, bago siya mag-show.
iTeracare, baby.
Yan, nagbo-blower po siya ng kanyang tubig, no, bago po siya mag-show, no. Tapos, no, ito po si Sir Attorney Tolentino po, no, ng Pinoy Legal Minds ng SMNI. Ginagamit na rin po ito. Si Sir Arnel Ignacio, isang OWA chief po natin yan, no. May program po siya sa SMNI. Si Retired General Thompson Lanchon, bumili na rin po nito, no, gumagamit na rin po. Si Sir Salvador Mison, former general po, no, former President Lucio Tan Group of Companies, no, gumagamit na rin ito, bumili, biglaan, no, on the spot po, no, napabili po ng pinakamahal po naming device. Tapos si Grepor Butch Belhica, gumagamit na rin po nito, binansagang teenage hoodlum, di ko po alam kung inabot nyo po yung mga palabas niya. Kilala nyo po ito? Anong pangalan nito? Okay. Basta sikat din yan, di ba? So, naisa pelikula na pala yung kanyang kasi parang hoodlum before, tapos nagbago ang buhay. Tapos si Butch Decini, pinsan po ni President BBM, bumili na rin, gumagamit na rin. Congressman Attorney Jun Chipeco, gumagamit na rin. Congressman Romeo Halasjos, gumagamit na rin. Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, gumagamit na rin. Senator Manny Pacquiao, gumagamit na rin. No? Ayan po, no, may sample pa. Ayan, no, siya po yan, no, gumagamit na rin po, no. So, syempre, bago po ako mag-explain paano ba ito gumagana, paano ito nakakatulong sa katawan, pakitaan po muna namin kayo ng results. Sabi nga, result is the name of the game. Diba? Kahit ano mang explain po namin paano siya gumagana, importante po, may resulta. Okay? So, ito po, no, very good po itong device na ito sa mga diabetics. Ito po, no, isang testimony from 291 sugar level, after 18 minutes of therapy, naging 256. Wow! Di ba? Ang galing, no? Vinlag po yan ng isang kaibigan po natin. Ayan, no? Nag-therapy siya dyan. Tapos sa mga stroke patients po, no? Very good po din ito. Ito po, no? Tabingi yung mukha. Ayan, pumantay. Ito, sugar level na naman, 201, naging 185 after 10 minutes of therapy. Ito naman po, no? Paralyzed person po, no? Taga Cebu ata to, no? So first day, hindi pa niya naigagalaw. On the 8th day, naigagalaw niya na po ang kanyang binte. On the 53rd day, tingnan niyo po, nagwa-walker na. 53rd day. Wow. 'Di ba? Tapos ngayon po, no, nakatayo na mag-isa, no? Nakapagpa-picture na, ang ganda na ng ngiti. Bumata ang itsura. No, nakakatuwa, no, naka-recover po. Ito naman po, no, sa mga may arthritis. Diyan po ba sa barangay nyo, sa lugar nyo, may mga taong may arthritis, rheuma, meron po ba? Di ba? Uso po 'yan, no, lalo na sa mga oldies po natin, no. So, ayan po, no, hindi po maka-close open ng ayos. Ito po, nakaka-close open na. Varicose veins. Wow, in just 2 months, no, ng therapy po, tuloy-tuloy lang. Ano po nangyari? Lumubog. Wow. Pakisabi po, wow. Type naman dyan, wow. Wow, wow. Yan. Pawaw naman tayo dyan, no? Para malaman po natin kung nandyan pa kayo. Yan. Salamat po. So, ito naman po, no? Sa skin diseases. Sino po sa inyo, sino sa inyo dito may skin? Or may balat? Taas kamay. Okay, thumbs up po kayo dyan. Magsulat kayo dyan. Ako, may balat. No? Sa balat po, very good. Kasi nga, binoblow po siya sa balat. No, nakakatuwa, no, kasi pati po balat, no, napapaganda po. Tapos sa mga may facial, syempre facial skin, no, nakakatulong po, nakakabata. Sino po sa inyo gusto pa magpabata ng mukha? Taas ang kamay. Bakit hindi? 'Di ba? Kung pwede na magpabata ng natural 'di ba? Why not? Okay? Hair color and growth. Anong ibig sabihin nito? Ito po ang nipis na ng buhok, nagpuputi, gray na po yung kanyang buhok, no? After therapies, okay? Nangyari po, kumapal at bumalik po yung itim na buhok. Wow! Diba? Tapos ito po, bone to bone na po yung kanyang tuhod, masakit na po yan pag nilalakad. After 6 weeks of therapy, luminya po yung cartilage niya. 6 weeks! Nakakatuwa, Ang galing. Next, ito naman po, aneurysm po, yung testimony po niya, Noong January 22, first time po siya ng therapy. January 31, ayan, nakalabas po, At nakapag-try na po maglakad. Wow, ngayon po, normal na po siya naglalakad, Naka-recover na po siya, Ito naman, osteoporosis, bedridden, na lola, 93 years old. 2 months of therapy, hindi na po nakakaalis siya. Kaya nga bedridden hindi na po nakakaalis ng kama, After 2 months of therapy, ngayon nagsa-cycling na. Nakakakilos na ng mas maluwag, ng mas maayos. Wow, 'di ba? Ang galing. Ito naman po, meningitis and sepsis, Itong batang ito ay naka-NGT na, hindi na po tinatanggap sa ospital, Sabi po ng kanyang pediatrician, nako, gamitan na natin 'to ng kasi nga, ay TheraCare, hindi nila alam kung anong pwede mangyari. Pero sige, gamitan natin kasi halos lost case na siya Ano nangyari? 2 weeks of therapy. Nakatindig muli ang batang ito. 3 years old. Grabe, palakpakan naman natin yan. Grabe. Isipin nyo po, ang galing, kung meron ka dito sa bahay mo, iba. Dapat magkaroon ka na agad dito sa bahay mo. Ang good news ko po sa inyo, nung after 2 weeks, ganyan itsura niya. Ngayon po, eto na siya. O, di ba? Nakakatayo na mag-isa. Di ba? Ang ganda pa ng forma, Nakakatuwa, Next. Ito po, matindi to.
Ganyan lang.
Ito si ma'am.
Sakit siya talaga.
Ano siya? Meron siyang frozen shoulder.
Taas mo pa.
Hanggang ganyan lang yung pag-angat niya ng braso. Hanggang ganyan lang. Hindi na pwede. Hindi pwedeng paaganon. Hindi yung pagilid lang. Hanggang dun lang. Ano po nangyari? Fast forward. Tinerapy po siya. Nagulat siya. Naigagalaw niya na. Parang I can feel it na siya. I can feel it. Diba? Tapos, tignan niyo po yung... Yan, tignan niyo po to Yan! Naiangat! Ayan
Diba?
Wow! Ilan po yung kaibigan niyo po na matagal na pong nagtitiis sa mga chronic pain na ipit daw ang ugat? Diba? Hindi na makakakilos ng maayos. Ayan po. Pwede palang gamitan muna nito. Diba? Kaysa magpa-opera ka na agad. Diba? Ito naman si Kuya.
Kuya Edwin, kanina bago kay therapy,
Ayan, ganyan ako maglakad. Ganyan ako maglakad. O, ngayon, tingnan mo. Tingnan mo.
Ang bilis
Hindi ko to naiangat. Hanggang dyan lang, ganyan. O, ngayon nagagawa ako Oh my God! Thank you, Lord. Naku, grabe. Pati yung mukha ko kanina, hanggang dyan, kagabi, hanggang dyan lang, hindi ko may to ngayon, hanggang doon, nakakalalingon ako ng mabilis Grabe. Thank you.
Grabe, Palakpakan naman natin yan. Grabe. Di ba? May sasabihin pa siya dyan.
Error kasi strip na to
Yes.
Anong masasabi mo, Daddy Bro, sa...
Thank you, ay TheraCare. Grabe. Naku, maniwala kayo. Ito ako na. 2 months ago, second stroke na ako. May heart attack pa, May mild heart attack. Ito ngayon. Kaya tuloy-tuloy to. Sigurado, pagka tinuloy-tuloy na. First session pa lang mo to. First session.
30 minutes
Thank
ko po siyang sinession yan. Tapos ito pa, isa pa. Staggering testimony. Full stroke po itong babaeng ito. Hindi po na igagalaw ang kanyang kaliwang kamay. Naiangat. Next. Ayan po, yung kaliwang paa niya, hindi niya po na igagalaw yan. Naiangat na naman. First therapy po yan. First therapy.
Ano ba nakaangat yung paa mo? Alam mo?
Yan ba yung kaliwa niyang paa? Yan yung hindi mo naikikilos?
Gulat na gulat yung ate.
Subukan
Ito
mo
pa.
na, ibababa mo naman siya na hindi mo tutulungan ng kaliwa. Sige.
Try ko ha.
Okay. Sipin mo na kaya mo. Mag-concentrate ka doon.
So kasi kanina po na iganon, no? So, tatry naman niyang iganon, no?
Sige.
Nainip ako ng konti. Sabi ko, kailangan may mangyari dito.
Very good, sir.
Lower, with prayer, di ba?
Ala, naangat ko na rin yung sarili ko. Ala! Dati. Oh my gosh!
Hindi na kaya pag walang hawak.
Grabe! No, grabe, no?
Kailangan ko may hawak.
First therapy po yan. Although we are not promising na tuwing magpa-first therapy po kayo, ganyan po katindi agad yung magiging result. Ang tawag po dito ay therapy. Na dapat po tuloy-tuloy. Ito po ang update sa kasunod na video. Dating hindi po nakakapaghugas ng plato, ngayon po naghuhugas na. Nakakaligo na po mag-isa. Nakapagbihis na po ng sarili niya. Yan po ang update po sa kanya ngayon. Kaya palakpakan naman natin yan. Grabe. Diba? Siya po, 4 years stroke na. 4 years paralyzed na po yung kanyang left side of the body. Ngayon po, no, road to recovery. Nakakatuwa, no? Ang ganda po talaga ng effect ng produkto po natin, no?
To God be the glory.